Honda CMX500 Rebel Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling beckons with promises of adventure, freedom, and a unique connection to the open road. For beginners entering this exhilarating realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is a pivotal decision that shapes their journey. The Honda CMX500 Rebel, with its blend of accessible power, versatile design, and cruiser comfort, stands as an exceptional gateway for novices to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. With its balanced performance, modern aesthetics, and rider-focused features, the CMX500 Rebel provides a perfect platform for novices to embark on their cruiser journey. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Honda CMX500 Rebel lies a refined 471cc parallel twin engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine offers a balanced performance that enables beginners to experience the joy of cruising with confidence. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Honda CMX500 Rebel is thoughtfully designed to prioritize rider comfort, offering a relaxed and approachable riding position characteristic of cruiser motorcycles. The low seat height, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars create an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during extended rides. Modern design and versatile aesthetics. The CMX500 Rebel showcases a modern and versatile design that appeals to both novices and experienced riders. Its clean lines, minimalist form, and custom-inspired aesthetics reflect a contemporary style that resonates with a wide range of riders. Novice riders not only experience the joy of cruising but also embrace the individuality that defines cruiser motorcycles. Responsive handling and agile maneuverability. The Honda CMX500 Rebel offers responsive handling and agile maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and nimble characteristics contribute to a confident and controlled riding experience, be it on city streets or winding roads. Safety features and riding assurance. Safety is paramount, especially for beginners. The Honda CMX500 Rebel models often come equipped with advanced safety features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature provides novices with an added layer of confidence as they navigate various road conditions. Urban and adventurous cruiser experience. The CMX500 Rebel's versatility allows it to excel in urban settings and beyond. Novice riders can transition seamlessly between city commutes and embarking on adventurous rides, all while relishing the comfort and style that the cruiser offers. Community and rider bonding. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand form a community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the CMX500 Rebel's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda CMX500 Rebel encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully embracing the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Honda CMX500 Rebel isn't just an introductory choice, it's a lifelong companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its comfort, performance, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the CMX500 Rebel as they evolve from novices to seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Honda CMX500 Rebel stands as a testament to Honda's commitment to delivering an accessible and modern cruiser experience for beginners. With its balanced performance, versatile design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the CMX500 Rebel provides an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing a Honda CMX500 Rebel motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for leisurely rides and the freedom of the open road.